People call it the hardest exam in finance. Others say it's the gold standard for investment professionals. Yes, we are talking about the CFA. But what actually is the CFA? Why do people spend years chasing it? And is it really worth the grind? Today, we break down the CFA program step by step. What the CFA really is. The CFA stands for Chartered Financial Analyst, a professional designation awarded by the CFA Institute. According to the Institute, it's designed to prove mastery of advanced investment analysis and real-world portfolio management skills. This isn't a university degree. It's not a weekend certification. It's a multi-year commitment that tests your discipline, your analytical ability, and your endurance. The CFA curriculum covers everything from ethics and professional standards, quantitative methods, economics, financial reporting, equity and fixed income valuation, derivatives, portfolio management. If you want to speak the language of global finance fluently, this is one of the most respected ways to do it. Globally, there are over 190,000 active CFA charter holders. They're spread across more than 150 countries and societies, making it one of the most internationally recognized finance credentials. To put that into perspective, millions of people work in finance, but fewer than 200,000 hold the CFA. That's roughly 0.002% of the global population. It's elite, but not elitist. It's global, but not mass market. The 3 exams. To earn the charter, you must pass 3 exams: Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Level 1, Foundations. You learn the tools: ethics, quant, financial reporting, economics. This level tests breadth. Can you understand the entire investment universe? Level 2, Asset Valuation. This is where things get serious. You dive deep into valuing stocks, bonds, derivatives, and portfolios. It's more analytical, more detailed, and more case-based. Level 3, Portfolio Management. This is the final boss. You take everything you've learned and apply it to real-world portfolio construction, risk management, and client scenarios. Each exam is known for being extremely challenging. Most candidates study 300 to 400 hours per level, often while working full-time. Let's talk a bit more about numbers, because the CFA exams are famous for one thing: low pass rates. According to the CFA Institute, each exam window publishes official pass rates, and historically, they've been tough. Typical pass rate ranges look like this. Level 1, approximately 22% to 40%. Level 2, approximately 40% to 50%. Level 3, approximately 42% to 56%. These numbers move each year, but the pattern is consistent. Level 1 filters the crowd. Level 2 crushes the crowd. And Level 3 tests whether you can think like a portfolio manager. The CFA Institute usually sends results 5 to 9 weeks after your exam window closes. And next, a really important question. Some of the candidates are sooner or later asking themselves, how many times can I try? Now here's something most candidates don't know. You can retake each CFA exam level up to 6 times in total. But there are rules. You cannot take exams in consecutive windows. There must be at least a 6-month gap between attempts. You can take each level twice per year, maximum. In case you are failing, don't freak out. Failing is normal. Most candidates fail at least once, and retaking is part of the journey. And last but not least, passing the exams isn't enough. To officially become a CFA charter holder, you additionally need a bachelor's degree or 4,000 hours of relevant work experience. Become a member of the CFA Institute. Demonstrate an ongoing commitment to the CFA Code of Ethics. Only then can you use the letters CFA after your name. The CFA isn't for everyone. It's demanding, time-consuming, and mentally exhausting. But if you want a career in investment analysis or portfolio management, it's one of the strongest signals you can send to employers worldwide. It won't magically get you a job, but it will open doors, and it will give you the knowledge to walk through them confidently. If you want more breakdowns like this, from MBAs to CPA versus CFA to finance career paths, hit subscribe and stay tuned. We really hope you enjoyed this video. See you and have a good one.